selection looks really good. All right, we're going on a quick test drive here. 74,249 miles on the odometer. If you see any flickering here, that's just in camera, that is not in person. Now, one thing to note, when you start the car, I do hear a blend door actuator kind of clicking, which is super common on these cars. So that would need to be replaced to get it to stop clicking, but it only does it a couple times when you first start it, and then it goes away. Nice and smooth. The steering is perfectly straight, but it does have a slight shimmy to it. It's very subtle. Very easy to shift though. Love the clutch and the shifter. Alignment feels good. All right, when you go over some of these bigger bumps, you're gonna hear the suspension kind of popping in the back left, I think. I don't know if you could hear that, but that back left suspension has a little bit of popping on some of these bigger bumps. So here's another one over here. A little bit of creaking. All right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find, and really just assessing the overall condition of the vehicle. Here on this wheel, you're gonna see some discoloration here. Looks like it might have had some curb rash and they repainted it. So you're gonna see a lot of texture there. Looks like the rest of the wheel looks good. Middle looks nice. 275/40/19 here on the tires. Day code 2023. They are Lexani LX20 is the brand there. Looking at the fender, typical swirls from everyday washing. I see some marring in the paint there. Something kind of scuffed it. You're gonna see all the rock chips here on that lower section. Looking at the side mirror, it looks like it was freshly repainted, has a lot of depth in it, a little bit of trash here and there, but overall it looks really nice. A-pillar, that looks good. Hard water spots in the paint a little bit, a couple flaws. Here on the door, I see 3 chips in there that have been touched up. You have a little bit larger one right there. Typical swirls kind of in the area here, fingernail scratches, little chips. I got a ding there. You have rock chips kind of throughout this lower section, and you're going to have them in that area as well. You have a touch-up spot here, a little touch-up. You have a deep gash here that catches your nail, a couple inches wide. More touch-up spots. You're going to see kind of hard water stains and spots throughout this paint. You can see all of that. And it looks like kind of etched into the clear. A lot of that is not going to come out. You have some gashes down here. Looking at this wheel, a little bit of rash right there. And then you're gonna see chips kind of all throughout those little inner spokes. That is a BF Goodrich tire. G-Force Comp 2s, date code, if I can find it for you, 2021. Looking at the front end, here on this front bumper, it has been repainted. So it has a lot of orange peel effect to it, if you can see that. Compared to the hood, you can see how glossy that is, and then you're gonna see the texture in the paint here. You have spider cracking and damage there. Got heavy rash on that lower splitter, and it's kind of curled up. Little gashes. You have more gashes here. You see some more heavy rash, more scuffs and scratches. Looking at the hood, a little bit of rock chips here and there. Looks like some chipping right there. Here on the fender, some light scuffs and swirls from just everyday washing. Here on that wheel, overall looks good. Typical chips on the inside spokes there. Date code on that tire, 2023. That is a Lexani. You got the rock chips here on that lower rocker. Looks like that side mirror was repainted as well recently. Has a little bit of trash in there, but the depth looks really nice. They did a really good job. Now if you look close, you're gonna see hard water stains on that paint that have etched into the clear. You can see a little bit on the roof as well. Just have to get in that right lighting. Little fingernail scratches. Got a couple chips right there. Overall, that tire looks good. Get some touch-up spots in here. Touch up there. And once again, if you look at the paint really close, you're gonna have a lot of hard water stains in here that have etched into the clear. Taillight looks awesome. You're gonna see a lot of wear in here. A lot of swirls. You have some gashes. Some gashes and chips in here. In the trunk, you got a little hole there, a couple stains. That liner looks good. Okay, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker. Here on that upper section, that looks good. That looks nice. Here in this section, you're gonna see a lot of gashes and heavy wear. Same on the plastic. Looking at that bolster, it is smushed down. You can feel the metal right there, but I don't see any rips or tears. You do have a lot of wear on that bolster. You can see it here. Upper section though, that looks good. Some light scuffs and scratches throughout. Now this is Alcantara. It is matted down, kind of dingy. And then you have some little scratches all throughout that area. You can see the buttons. They have some wear on them. Some of it's kind of scratched off. Upper side of the dash looks good. Like I said, that screen, it's very hazy. That looks good. That looks nice. Lots of scuffs and scratches here on the console. All right, looking at this door panel, upper section looks good. You have a couple gashes there. The handle area looks clean. Speaker cover looks good. A little bit of wear and kind of fading or haziness here. Looking at that bolster, that looks really good. Typical wear on that edge though, if you get really close. That seat back looks nice. Some light scuffs from just kind of getting in and out, but the rest of that looks good. Now you're gonna see a lot of little scratches on that console. And then when we look at the screen, you're gonna see a lot of wear. There's a lot of hazing. Dash looks good. Glove box looks nice. Upper side up here looks good. Headliner. That's just a fuzz, so nothing there. The rest of this looks good. Come back here. Those seats look awesome. Seat back looks good. All right, we're gonna scan through the engine bay here. Looks like the clips are kind of missing and they added their own style here. And that clip's missing. Just kind of scanning through all this. Filter looks good. And then here on the underhood liner, lots of little stains, but I don't see any rips. That looks good.